Gold vs. Diamond. Which one is actually better? As a kid, I used to think that diamonds were actually made of gold. I mean, they both sparkle, right? But as I grew up, I learned that they're actually very different. And here are 5 of those differences. Number 1, they're formed in completely different ways. Gold is created through a process called smelting, where you combine different elements together at extremely high temperatures and pressures, like over 1,000 degrees Celsius and 25,000 times atmospheric pressure. That's enough to make even the toughest guy cry. Meanwhile, diamonds are formed from carbon atoms. Specifically, it all starts with a single diamond seed crystal, which is like a tiny little speck of dust. Over millions of years, more carbon atoms get added to the crystal, causing it to grow. Number 2, they have different densities. Gold is actually less dense than water, which is why you can actually sink a gold coin in a glass of water. Now, diamonds, on the other hand, are really dense. So dense that if you were to drop one on your foot, it would probably feel like a brick. Number 3, they conduct heat and electricity differently. Gold is a great conductor of electricity, which is why it's often used in things like electronics and jewelry because it doesn't tarnish. It's also a really great conductor of heat. In fact, gold is so good at conducting heat that if you were to touch it, you'd probably burn yourself. Now, diamonds don't conduct heat or electricity well at all. In fact, they're considered electrical insulators. This is because each carbon atom in the diamond is covalently bonded to its neighboring carbon atoms, making it really hard for electrons to flow through. Number 4, they have different hardness. Now, this one might surprise you, but diamonds are actually 10 times harder than gold. In fact, diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. This is why they're often used in things like cutting tools and sandpaper, because they can really scratch up other materials. Gold, on the other hand, is really soft and malleable, which is why it's often used in things like jewelry and coins. And number 5, they have different values. Now, this one is kind of subjective, but generally speaking, people tend to value diamonds more than gold. This is because diamonds are really rare, and they're often seen as a symbol of wealth and power. Now, gold is also pretty valuable, but it's not quite as rare as diamonds. And it's also used for other things besides jewelry, such as in electronics and in medicine as a treatment for certain types of cancer. So which one's actually better? Well, that's up to you to decide. But hopefully now you know a little bit more about both of them. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.